What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to log out of your TrueCaller account. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first of all, go to your TrueCaller application and right there on the menu, click your profile in the top left corner. And after that, just go to your settings on the top right corner. And as you can see in the settings, there is no log out option. So you can't easily log out of your TrueCaller account. What you can do is go to your settings right here, and after you go to your settings, just scroll down and go to app management, then go to app list, then search for your Truecaller application and just click the app, and right there just click for stop in the middle, and after you click for stop, go to storage usage and make sure that you clear your data and cache. And after you did that, after you clear your data and cache, just go back to your Truecaller application. And right here, as you can see, my account is been lagged out to my Truecaller and the application is being reset. And that's it. That's how you do it. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.